We had confirmation that the leaks that we've seen of the Google Pixel 3 are actually real. It looks like Apple Watch is actually the next product to lose physical buttons, apparently. And for those of you that are looking for that selfie portrait on the OnePlus 6, you are in luck. I'm Jaime Rivera. There is construction outside. Pardon the noise. It could be that they're mad because it's Monday. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals as, well, if you want to get yourself a Huawei Mate 10 Pro, this is the time. As pretty much every retailer right now has it for $550, meaning B&H Photo, meaning Amazon, meaning pretty much every company that's currently selling it has it at that discounted price. I don't know if it means that we're getting a new Mate 10 Pro soon, Mate 20 or whatever, but we'll keep you posted. Because yes, there are rumors that right now Huawei made a significant order to Samsung for OLED displays for a flagship, and we're talking about a 6.9-inch display, which I guess would be the largest one in the market if they pull it off. Hopefully they get rid of more bezels as they've been doing over the last couple of, launches. Particularly with the Mate 10 Pro, not necessarily with the P20 Pro, but yeah, stay tuned. It could be that this is what's coming. Now let's talk about the OnePlus 6, as for those of you that already own one, you will notice that there is a software update, and yes, please do apply it. There are significant improvements to network, to the user interface. Apparently there's also a way to schedule the fact that you want to have that Do Not Disturb activate itself at certain times of the day. Most important, that portrait selfie is coming. So yeah, download it. Sadly, we filmed the comparison over the weekend. That was prior to this update, so it won't be part of it, but yeah. Now let's move the spotlight over to the Apple Watch. If you are in the market for Series 4, we might not necessarily get design changes, but we do hear that the way the watch works might change. Apparently the buttons will now be capacitive and not as we currently see. That's actually good. It helps for things like water resistance, but let's hope they do a better job than what we currently have with the HTC U12 Plus, which, oh God, those buttons are terrible. Yeah, we do remember the times when, the Touch ID button changed into a capacitive button, so probably that will be the case. We'll see. And finally, the very interesting news today have to do with the Google Pixel 3, as we've got some sources claiming that they've been digging within blogs of Google, and they have found that the prototypes that we've seen are actually true. There are some weird logos here, but if they come from a Google blog, then obviously at least these designs were considered. We see that all glass back that's sanded up into a certain degree to provide more of that Pixel 2 XL design, and yes, the notch at the front. So in today's question, let us know. If this were the final prototype, would you be okay with it? Would you be fine with this being the next Pixel? In my case, I know that a lot of people complain about the notch, but I think that it's just going to be the reality of this year right now. So I like the designs. That sanded glass at the back for me would be awesome, but leave us a comment down below. Love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch Friday's Pocketnow Daily up here and our thoughts on the always connected PC down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.